If you can get 80 people to this brand new website that we have not talked about before, you can earn a total of $10,000 for a number of 80 customers referred to this website. You can start off small at $250 for 1 to 5 people. You can then scale to 6 to 20 people where you'll earn $1,500. And then you can scale more to 21 to 45 people and earn $4,500. And eventually you can scale to 46 to 80 people and earn $10,000 total estimated earnings every single month from this brand new application. I firstly want to state that this is not some sort of get rich quick scheme. This is an actual business model called affiliate marketing, and I've just showed you with this basic calculator how many people you need to make these potential earnings over here. So you can range from anywhere between 1 to 80 people referred, and you can make anywhere between $250 and $10,000 on this brand new application. Now in this video I'm going to give you 6 epic bonuses with 6 different websites that you can make money from this strategy and make a second stream of income from this. And at the end of this, I'm also going to show you how you can use this one tool called Video Marketing Blaster to go viral when creating content. This video is going to be packed with tons of value that I really suggest that you don't miss. I'm really excited about this video and to help you make money with this. So without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. Firstly, my name is Jay, your Nobi South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey over here on my YouTube channel on various different ways I use to make money online. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this brand new application and how to make money with it. So let's get straight into it. I firstly want to get started with the 6 websites that you can make money from this, and then at the end I'm going to show you the traffic method that you can use with all 6 of these to make money from all 6 of these websites at the same time. It will all make sense as we go through. Make sure to keep watching and I'll reveal all the names of these websites throughout this video. So firstly over here we've got a website called junglescout.com, which is basically an all-in-one platform for selling on Amazon. It's a tool that you can use to find high trending products to resell on Amazon, to piggyback trends, to make money with your FBA business. And tons of people are using this tool, especially as a noob on Amazon. And it's a growing business. A lot of people want to get started on Amazon, but they don't know how to get started. This is a tool to help newbies to start selling on Amazon, to streamline your Amazon business, win the Amazon channel, and grow a high income stream business on Amazon over here. So we're not going to be using this tool or buying this tool ourselves. The main point of this tool is the affiliate program. So if you scroll down to the bottom of this website, you'll see over here under the company tab, they've got an affiliate program over here. Click on the affiliates tab, get started. You can get started completely for free over here. I suggest just read a little bit through this website. Here you can see you can start earning and collecting up to $150 for every conversion that you make. So one person referred to this website pays $150. So all the affiliate programs that I've chosen are top quality, top notch, high paying affiliate programs that are more than 50%. So all you do is apply, grab your link and share and earn. But make sure to keep watching for that traffic method to get tons of people to this tool over here. Next, another website I recommend is called socialplus.net, which is a website you can use to boost your rankings on Instagram and YouTube. And they basically focus on high quality promotions, growth courses, industry leading marketing tools to help you grow faster and more affordably. You can build an authority faster and easier on Instagram and YouTube, as well as TikTok, and you can automate ads and promotions through the tool as well. And over here you can get some questions, so you've got a completely free trial as well. But again, this is in a nutshell a tool to help you grow on YouTube and Instagram with automation, identifying trends, keywords, that kind of thing. Another great tool for a newbie that's wanting to get into an Instagram business and YouTube business. But we're not going to be buying this tool. Again, we're going to be focusing on the affiliate program. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see under the Social Plus tab, there is an affiliate program over here. Go and sign up. You will earn 50% commissions every single month for life. So let me basically go and show you how this works. If I click on all services over here, and I go onto, for example, YouTube views, you will get 50% for life every single month that whatever package your referral buys over here. Next, we're going to come over to digistore24.com, which is an entire marketplace where we can go and promote products and services and become affiliates for that and make money with that. So let me just quickly show you if I log in with my account. Over here, you can see on the marketplace, hundreds to thousands of products that you can go and promote from various different categories. You can have a look on the left, pause the screen, and I suggest choose a category that you know, something that you're passionate about, that makes you happy, because there's no better feeling than making money in a niche that you're happy with. So my passion is internet marketing and e-business and entrepreneurship. So over here, you can see, for example, is a course over here called Click Wealth System, which is a course that teaches you about affiliate marketing. You will get a 60% 20% commission every sale that you make. That's more than half. For a company to be willing to share with you more than half of their profits is absolutely crazy, and you will get $14.31 per sale. But again, we're just here for the affiliate program. It's all going to make sense as we get to the end of this video. Make sure to keep watching for that. Next, we can go and use Warrior Plus. Now, this is one of my favorite platforms because they actually have a tool called a calendar where we can go and promote products, hit hype, virality before those products even launch. And as the launch day comes, our affiliate link is ready to go and capture all of that virality and hype around newly launched products. So this is how you're going to do that. You're going to go and log in with Warrior Plus on the top right over here. And over here, if you come over to the affiliates tab and click on launch calendar, we can go and view products that are going to launch within the next couple of days or weeks. So here you can see we're at October 2021, and today currently is the 9th of October. So we are over here on the 9th of October. So tomorrow, we've got 2 products launching. We've got Traffic Time and the weekly PLR product. The next day after that, we've got a Columbus Day sale, super affiliate dominant course and ebooks and more resources that will teach you how to do affiliate marketing. Now, the thing is with this calendar, these products get a ton of hype around launches. People like new stuff. When something new is released, all the attention goes to that product. So that's basically what this is. So we can go and choose this product that's going to go and launch tomorrow. You can actually go and grab your affiliate link over here. You click on request approval, and you can actually go and do a review, post something about this product. And as soon as this product is launched, people YouTube this product, they do Google searches if they want reviews. But if you're the first person out there with the review for that keyword of this product, you are going to get all the attention and all the affiliate sales. So here you can see this affiliate landing page is completely done for you. So this is just a method called launch jacking, where you review affiliate products before the day they launch. So when they launched, you hit all that hype. So that's option number 3 is warriorplus.com. Fourthly, and the one that I recommend the most, is a website over here called Cloudways.com, which is a managed cloud hosting platform. So as we know, entrepreneurs, people, businesses, even individuals need websites to get if they want to run ads on their pages, if they have a blog, if they have a photography blog, you name it, they want e-commerce, you need an internet hosting service to host those websites. There are millions of websites being hosted every single day on the internet. So this is just a service where you can host your own website. But take a look at this. Again, we're not going to be buying this product. We're going to be using this for the affiliate program. If you click on the affiliates tab on the top right, it's going to take you to this page over here. Here you can see high paying commissions. So they offer very high paying commissions. I'm going to show you and calculate that now for you. And over here, you can actually choose how you wish to earn. So you get performance-based slabs. You could earn up to $125 per sale based on your performance slab. Instant commissions, you get high commission instantly on every customer you refer. So there's no waiting period, no high waiting for like $1,000 before you can withdraw. It's immediately withdrawable, and you can double your earnings by bringing in sales regularly and be a part of higher incentives and bonuses as well. So on top of sales, they give you bonuses and incentives to double up your earnings. And if I scroll down over here, you can actually calculate what you're going to earn. So as a beginner, your first 1 to 5 customers, you'll make $50 per sale, and you can make $250 every month. Slab 2 is when you hit your 6th customer, you can earn $75 per sale and $1,500 per month. Slab 3 is when you hit your 21st customer, $100 per sale, up to $4,500 a month. Slab 4, that's now your 46th customer, $125 per sale, and you're going to make $10,000 a month if you have 80 people referred. So this is another great affiliate program. All you do is click on become an affiliate over here, and you can get started completely for free. I don't even think there's an application process. You can sign up as an affiliate immediately. So you just fill in these details over here, and you'll get your affiliate link. Next, we've got jvzoo.com, which is the same as Warrior Plus. You can log in, get affiliate products in all sorts of niches. Now, why I'm showing you all of this is because you want as many affiliates products as possible. I know I usually talk about focus on one product at a time, but it depends on how you want to go about it. So the way we are going to go about this is we are going to come over to YouTube. Now, before you click off, the number one thing I'm going to tell you when it comes to making money online, when people hear about YouTube, they have to record, build a channel, an audience, speak in front of a mic. They firstly think, too much effort. They're too lazy. They click off the video, and that is exactly why you don't succeed. In order to get to places that you've never been, you need to do things that you've never done and get out of your comfort zone. So over here, the best way to go about this is we are going to be creating a YouTube channel for affiliate marketing. We're going to be doing reviews on affiliate products, launch jacking, and I'm also going to give you a tool to rank #1 on YouTube and a tool to perfect your thumbnails to get tons of clicks and 200% more views. So over here you can see I did a couple of research on the Cloudways review. There are some videos getting anywhere between 1K views and 30K views, 2.5K, 44K, 50K, okay, 92 views, 18K views, 500 views, 6K views. So you can see these review videos, and these are not big channels. I mean, a channel over here with 2K subscribers getting 500 views per video is actually really good. I mean, 2 signups from that is over $100 just off that video on that affiliate link. Now, all these people are doing is they come over to Cloudways, they record their screen with a tool called Open Broadcaster software. I'm going to get that up for you now. It's all completely free, and you can use your laptop with a webcam. So this is actually the program I use to record my screen. And they just talk about this website, which package is better, what you get with each package, how to use cPanel. What I suggest is go and watch these other reviews and base your own review off of that. Don't copy word for word, just get influence. And you can not only make money off affiliate links, but once you get monetized on YouTube, and if you do this every day, you can actually become extremely wealthy, as YouTube ad revenue in this niche pays a lot more than what people think, even up to $100 per 1,000 views on a video. So not only are you making money on ad revenue, you're also making money on affiliate links. Now, what's great about this, you have so many topic and video ideas. All you do is you come over to Warrior Plus, the launch calendar. These are all products that you can go and review. So if you count all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is over 100 video ideas, and this is one video every day for 100 days. That is where consistency comes in. Same with Cloudways. You can make a couple of videos on the various different packages. Same with JD Zoo over here. They have thousands of products on their platform that you can go and review, and that is literally a video every day for the next 4 years. There's no excuse to run out of content ideas with this. Each and every affiliate product is a review for you to go and make. But now what you need to do is you need to obviously learn how to master the YouTube algorithms. Over here, I've got a tool for you guys called Video Marketing Blaster, which is 3 clicks all you need to rank on Google and YouTube. So how this works is you put in a keyword in this tool, it generates a done for you title, tags, and description that you copy and paste onto your video when you upload it to rank on the top page for that keyword. So over here, this is what the home screen looks like. Now, all you do is if you want to go and review, for example, Cloudways over here, all you're going to do is you're going to copy the term Cloudways review, put it into this tool, click on generate, and you copy and paste that title into your video when you upload it, and it's done for you, ready to go and rank. Secondly, you can go and use a tool over here called Thumbnail Blaster. So if you don't want to have Photoshop or go through all the efforts in designing thumbnails, you can actually scroll down, come over to this website. I'm not associated with these websites, by the way. I don't make any commissions by promoting these. I'm just promoting them on my channel because I actually use them myself. So you can head over straight to the website, Thumbnail Blaster and videomarketingblaster.com. If you scroll down on Thumbnail Blaster over here, you can see some awesome templates over here. So here, for example, this template over here is a great thumbnail, and you can just change this text and you can say, Cloudways review, Cloudways Best Experiment Review 2021. Over here, you've got best comparison. So you can go make a comparison video between Cloudways and Bluehost and converse the two and leave both affiliate links in the description and make money off 2 affiliate products at the same time. And remember, you're also getting views and making money off YouTube ad revenue. Now, before you click off, I want to explain something to you. This is the formula you need to use for YouTube. I'm going to set you a challenge where you need to upload a video every day for 30 days. As YouTube favors content creators who are consistent. Those content creators that reach the first 33 videos on their YouTube channel, or the next video is bound to go viral. So you want to upload a video every day for 33 days. And if you think about it like this, let's say you only get 5 views per video on 30 videos. So let's bring up my calculator over here. That's 5 views times 30 videos every day. That's now 150 views per day. If one person converts every day on Cloudways, that is an extra $50 a day. So that's just 150 views a day, $50 a day times 30 is an extra $1,500 a month. Let's say you've posted videos every day for 3 months. That's now 90 days, and you're now getting 100 views per video. Let's go 100 times 90 videos. That's now 9,000 views a day. Let's say 20 people convert off this 9,000 views. 20, so let's go 20 times 50. That's $1,000 times 30. That's an extra $30,000 a month you can be making on a YouTube channel with 10,000 views a day in affiliate commissions. And remember, this is just off one product. If you've got videos on all sorts of affiliate products, you're now getting multiple streams of income of various different affiliate products. But what I'm going to do is to help you out get started with more affiliate marketing and to make money off all these products. I'm going to leave a playlist over here for you guys. So this is the top plus minus 100 to 200 videos I've made on my YouTube channel regarding affiliate marketing in the last 2 years, compiled into one easy playlist. There's over 20 to 50 different courses worth hundreds of dollars, even some of them thousands of dollars, that I've now recorded on my YouTube channel completely for free. The reason being is because I make money off my affiliate products, so I don't need to go and charge a ridiculous $2,000 for a course. It's all for free on my YouTube channel over here. So suggest go and click on this playlist over here. It will really open up your mind and change your mindset about making money online and affiliate marketing to really help you out with a bunch of different strategies that you didn't know about. So click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.